Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a new product for you, and I would be unboxing it for all of you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. I chose this product because I noticed that there are not so many videos available for this particular car dashboard. This is a air vent based uh, based air vent based car mount for mobiles, and I decided to buy this and make a detailed video for all of you. I already had another one, but honestly that was not very helpful, so I decided to upgrade. So the other one that I had was this is the one from Portronics. So it's a suction based mount, but this does not work very well because this suction pad gets hardened over time and then it starts coming off very frequently, so I'm not using it anymore. Although the magnet here is pretty decent. I have this sample back cover with a ring installed on it, so you can see it holds on pretty good, pretty nice. Yeah. Okay, so let's keep this aside and focus on what we have right now. So a close look of the box. This is what you get. So it has this seal on it. It says tech made easier. I don't know if you can see it or not, but these are some texture here, some details. Of course, it is coming from China. So country of origin is China. Okay. So this is a pretty expensive car mount. It costed me around 2,500 rupees. Although this one, which is from Portronics, costs approximately 600 to 800 rupees, depending on the discount that you can get. There are also other available from the Portronics, which are available in the range of 300 to 400, but I went for this 2,500 because I just wanted something which can hold my phone reliably and for a very long time. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so I'll open this seal here, and let's open this. Okay, so this is what we get. We get a quick setup guide, probably. Yeah, it tells how this entire thing works. We understand basically how this works, so we'll skip this. What's inside the box is this. Let's take this out. Okay, this is a cover. Now this is the product. Okay, this is how it looks like, the packaging. Let's take it out. So let's unscrew this like this. Put it out, keep it aside. This is what we get. Right, this is a ball and a socket joint, as you can see. Right, made in China there, with model number mentioned, and the mount name. Okay, so this is a ball and socket joint. This is a ball that goes in here, and then you can tighten it up, and the more you tighten it, the more tight this movement would get, this movement, the ball and socket joint movement. So you should not tighten it to an extent where it's not barely moving. So make sure that you don't over tighten it. Now what's there? Okay, let's remove it. Oops. Oh, I accidentally removed this cover also along with the covering sticker. So as you can see, there's an array of magnets here, right? There's an array of magnets which is shielded or protected by this paper cellophane kind of a cover or a sticker, as you can say. Okay, so this is how it should look. ESR branding in the between. This is how it looks. Now this is an air vent mount cover. So the way it works is this hooks goes into back of the air mount fins. So you can extend this by rotating this, and you can see that it is extending. Right, you can extend it up to the max like this. I think this much should be sufficient to reach to the back side of any car vent. I'll also do an installation of this on my car dashboard, but I think this much should be sufficient for any car. It goes in like this, it hooks to the car vent, and then you start tightening this up so that this properly grips the air vent, and then you get a very nice firm attachment on your car vent like this. Let's say my fingers are car vent, so it attaches like this. Now the nice part is these two patented legs. So this has a unique support. This provides unique support, and these legs have a rubber padding to them, as you can see. Yeah, so probably it would give more grip. I'll say the build quality is kind of okay. Let's see how it goes with the harsh sun. Although all these parts are plastic, so plastic does degrades with time, so we don't know. We'll have to use it for a little while. For the price point, which is 2500, let's hope this stays good for a good amount of time. But otherwise the quality looks okay. They could have made it of metal, but again, this is plastic. I don't know how long this would hold, but let's see this with our cover of Samsung S24. Nice, good hold. Now this is nice. This is very good. Let's see if it picks up, at what distance it picks up the phone. Nice. This is a strong. Okay, let's see what else comes in the box. Enough of playing with this. Let's keep this aside like this. In the box we have another mount. This is again a ball and a socket joint mount. This comes with a 3M tape, so you can stick it on your dashboard, and the base is a little flexible, so if there are any curves on your dashboard, this can adjust pretty easily. And this ball joint goes inside in here. Okay, what else we have? Let's see. Okay, we have a booklet, something here. Let's see. Okay, we have a care pamphlet. Wet wipe. We do get the sticky rings, not sticky rings, sorry, these are the metallic plates that you should be using on the back of your mobile phone. You say this instructions. Yeah, and these are the plates. So these come with a sticker. You remove the sticker and then you stick it. I already had one, so I installed it on my phone case, but we can use this as well. Looks kind of okay. In terms of its thinness, it's pretty decently thin, somewhat same as what I have already installed, so nothing unusual. Okay, let's keep all of these things aside. Okay, let's keep this here. Okay, these are the products. Okay, I'll go and install this in my car. I'll continue the video there and then I'll return back. Okay, Okay, hello. Again, I'm now in my car and we'll try to install this in that vent over there. Okay, so let's bring this knob out to a desired length by rotating this. I think this should be sufficient. And make sure that you adjust the air vents direction before you install this, because afterwards you won't be able to adjust the airflow. That's a demerit of this. I'll install it on the last fin and then I'll just tighten this up, and then you see how it goes up. Okay, now it's pretty much done. Now I can adjust this. Yep, the legs are here. Okay, this is resting against on this. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let me show you a close look. This is how it goes. Okay. All right. So from the side view, if the mobile gets mounted here, all the weight would go down like this, and that weight would be balanced by the hook which is attached to this fin and also partially distributed on these two legs. So a downward force like this would have 2 points. First this last fin and then these two legs. If you buy any other one which does not have these two legs, what happens is all the weight gets transferred to this last fin, which has more potential of getting it damaged. Right? Okay, thanks. I think overall this looks nice. This is good. We tested that it doesn't falls on bumpy roads as well. So I'll try it for a few days. If it does work, I'll keep it. Otherwise, I'll see if I can test a new one. But this looks okay. This looks okay. Thanks for staying with me all the time. And brands like Portronics do offer other car mounts at around 350 rupees. But if your usage is basic, then go for them. The unique selling point of this car mount is these two legs, which other car mounts does not come with. They only have this assembly here, only this one, so it might put a lot of pressure on your car vent grills and they might get damaged. So these legs are good in terms of sharing the load between the car vent fins and the body surrounding the car vents. So this is it. Thanks again, and let me know what you want me to cover again in terms of gadgets or anything else that you feel like. Put it into the comments and I'll purchase it and I'll demonstrate how it works for all of you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.